I'm not sure this clown knows where it's going. Hi, I'm Marla Mogul with the Windup Project. I have been collecting wind-up toys for over 30 years. I have over 1,000 toys in my collection. My mission is to share the joy, the laughter, and the smiles that I get from these toys with the rest of the world. Today I'm going to show you some of my vintage tin toys. First up is this Lithograph clown on a scooter. This one is very old. It's from the Blic collection. Something very interesting I want to point out is the wind-up mechanism is actually showing on the outside. Whoa, he goes crazy. I'm not sure this clown knows where it's going. Here's another Lithograph tin toy from Clockwork. It is a duck riding a tricycle, and he's got his little twirly hat on. It goes really fast when he's not riding the tricycle. I love that look from the twirly gig on top. I like how you see the feet actually moving as he does his tricycle. Next we have a vintage wind-up seal with a ball on its head. Even though the tassels aren't on there, the ball does spin. The seal goes in a complete circle. My table's not big enough to actually see how far it goes around. Next we have the circus elephant, also riding a tricycle with the ball with the fringes. This one does have the tassels. I can't get this one to work when it's on the ground, but you could see that the ball does twirl around with the tassels. Another Clockwork toy. This one is cute. It's a guy on a motorcycle with a younger boy in the sidecar. Guy in the sidecar has a rubber head. Let's watch them ride. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. Please subscribe to my channel. Keep smiling. Thank you, Michael.